Hydraulic Excavator Caterpillar 320D3. The Caterpillar 320D3 is a modern and powerful hydraulic excavator specifically designed for construction and excavation tasks. Its features and specifications are as follows. This machine is equipped with a Cat C4.4 ACERT engine, which delivers high power while consuming less fuel. The engine generates 92 kilowatts, 124 horsepower of power, enabling it to work efficiently even on the toughest terrains. It features an advanced high-flow hydraulic system that provides efficient and fast movement of the boom, arm, and bucket. The machine has a balanced and durable design, ensuring reliable operation over an extended period without failure. A robust chassis and heavy-duty boom enhance its longevity. It can accommodate commercial-grade buckets, suitable for various types of terrains. The pressurized cabin offers excellent sealing to protect against dust and noise. For operator comfort, it is equipped with air conditioning, comfortable seats, and modern controls. The machine can lift up to 9,000 kilograms. The boom has a maximum reach of 8.65 meters, while the digging depth extends to 6.76 meters. Its weight is approximately 20,800 kilograms, making it stable and safe. Caterpillar service centers are available in major cities across Pakistan, such as Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, and Faisalabad.